Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to print your Google Calendar. Now, once you're in Google Calendar, guys, you need to choose how you want to print. So let's say if you want to print, for example, the week, you can click on the week here and it will show you what your current week is like. You can do the entire month if that's what you want, or you can even do a particular day. Let's say I would like to print the entire month. I can click on the month and here you can see the month, and all I have to do now is simply click on the settings gear right next to it and you have print. If I click on that, it's going to show me what my current months look like, and you can see that it's going to print it for me. Now, of course, you just want to go ahead and click on print. You can always change the date here as well. You can always change the view. If you want only day, you can have a day view. You can also have the week view. It's really depending on how whichever view you want to have, and you can choose the orientation as well. If you want it to have landscape, it's going to be in a landscape. If you want it in a portrait, it will be in a portrait as well. So depending on your choice here, or you can leave it in auto to have it this side. The color and style, it's really up to you. You can choose to fill it up with colors if you want to have that, or you can just have it in mere black and white like that. So basically that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to go ahead and print a Google Calendar from Google Calendar, and that's it.